Here's me, 90 days from now. Desk in a cardboard box. A Slack message that just says, "Let's chat." 2 coworkers behind me, not even hiding the laughing. I shipped 40 apps this quarter. Not one of them works. Let's rewind to the day it felt incredible. Day 1. Day 1 of Vibecoding. There is no day 2. That's the whole problem. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're learning to code without learning to code. You don't write it, you don't read it. You describe a vibe and a machine fills in everything else. Step 1, don't learn anything. Smash that subscribe. Hour 1, I type one sentence, build me a SaaS. 20 minutes later, it runs. A login page, a database, a landing page with a gradient. I have founded a company before lunch and I did not open a single file. I feel like a god. And here's the dirty secret of why day 1 always works. The project is tiny. The whole thing fits in the model's head at once. It can see every file because there are 4. Of course it's flawless. You haven't built anything big enough to break yet. Hour 6. I ask for one small change. It rewrites everything. The login page is gone. There are now 2 databases. It apologized, then did it again. And I can't tell if it's lying because I never read a single line of what it wrote. Hour 14. 14 copies of the same function. It charges the credit card in 9 different places. There's a folder called Final, a folder called Final 2, and a folder called Final Real Use This One. This is my code base now. I live here. It is not a home. And the project just got too big to fit in the model's head. So now it edits blind, patching what it can see, snapping what it can't. Every fix is a fresh bug wearing the fix's clothes. The exact thing that made day 1 feel like magic is the thing strangling me now. Complexity always sends an invoice. But it ran. It demoed clean. So, step 4, I shipped it. And prod does not grade you on vibes. Prod grades you on the 3 a.m. page, the leaked customer table, the invoice with too many zeros. The vibe does not survive first contact with a real user. Somewhere in those 40 apps, one of them has the API keys hard-coded right in the front end. I know this because a stranger emailed to thank me for the free credits. I never figured out which app it was. I still haven't. He's still using them. Standup, day 30. My manager asks, simply, what the architecture is. I open my mouth. Nothing comes out. Then the senior dev, the one who reviews everything, asks if I've actually read any of it. The room goes quiet. I have not. Which brings us back to the box, and the "let's chat," and the 2 guys laughing. They're not laughing because I used AI. They're laughing because I shipped 40 things I cannot explain, defend, or fix. I was never a developer. I was a very fast tour guide for code I'd never met. Vibecoding isn't fake. It's genuinely incredible, for the thing you'll throw away by Friday. The prototype, the toy, the throwaway demo. The crime is letting day 1 code quietly become the company. Use it to explore, never to ship something you can't read. So go ahead. Have your day 1. Feel like a god for 20 minutes. Just remember the part the demo never shows you. Somebody, eventually, has to understand it. And if you can't read your own code, that somebody isn't you. Like, subscribe, and read the diff.